My name is Marla. I live in Ogden, Utah, and I'm a patient of Dr. Whitear, and I was having incontinence problems when I laughed, when I sneezed, when I exercised. It was just a problem. So I went to see her, and my intent was to get a sling. I thought that would be the answer, but her nurse had recommended trying Votiva. I wanted no part of that, and I just thought I'm just gonna schedule my surgery, so I did. And after a couple weeks, I called her nurse and said, "Tell me about this Votiva. Tell me how it works." And she did, and I went in and I had it done, and it entailed about 4 visits. And her nurse, her name is Candace, she was awesome. She made me feel comfortable because it's kind of weird, it's kind of awkward, but the results were amazing. I felt I can run, I can do jumping jacks, I can jump on a trampoline, I can sneeze, and it's awesome. So I would recommend it to anyone that's having those type of issues.